What's up, guys? Aaron with Twins Garage. I'm here in the garage getting stuff cleaned out. It's the future, so this video has already taken place, but the beginning video that I had made in my Jeep while driving, it was just so loud you couldn't really understand me. But anyways, this video I'm going to show you the new surprise for the Subaru. So I've been talking about wanting to do a front end swap for a while, and I've been really leaning toward the 0405. Just it's been really hard to find a front end that's not super overpriced. And I was just scrolling on Facebook this morning, and bam, I found this front end. And yeah, it's a surprise on what front end I'm getting. So you just have to watch this video. Don't skip ahead. Just watch the whole video and enjoy. Heading home now. I got the stuff. Only about 2 hours of driving left, and about an hour and 45 minutes is on this highway. Okay guys, I just got home. It's been a long day. So probably total 6 hours driving just to get these parts. So the last minute thing, I had a friend tag me in on Facebook this morning, messaged the guy that I wanted it. I couldn't come till this weekend, and he was like, I can hold it for you, but I'm getting already like 20 messages on it, and I saw the amount of comments he was getting alone. So I'm like, you know what, I don't even want to make him wait. I'm gonna go tonight and get it so I don't lose this opportunity. I got an entire Hawkeye front end swap from an 07. Only thing is, the hood is from an RS, so I can't use the hood, but I could sell it, make a little money, and get an STI or WX hood. So I'm gonna show you the front end. I don't have the core support on, obviously, so right now everything's just sitting there. The bumper is just barely on there. It's not even on all the way because it doesn't fit on the Bug-Eye core support. So I gotta drill that out and get that front swapped. I gotta pull the engine first, which, yes, Alex and James, I'm going to. So I'm gonna get that pulled soon. It's pretty much all unbolted. I just need to get the cherry picker put together. I have no room right now, so I need to clean some of this stuff up and get some stuff in the basement. It's just hard. I don't want to hit my walls and ruin the drywall trying to carry these heavy seats down, so I need to get some help. So I definitely got to get those taken care of quick. So I really like the Bug-Eye front bumper though, the big giant fogs. I love those, so I'm gonna be bummed to see them go. I can't stand the headlights, just the round headlights. Everyone asks if it's a neon, and so I'm gonna show you the front end now. Not the most perfect front end. There's a few dents, but it's gotta get painted anyway, so body work is definitely coming. He lost the fog light covers, but they're about 30 bucks online. Plus, I'll probably get the STI ones as well. I want to get both the fog light covers and the STI ones. STI ones are going to cover the lights, and so if I need to use the lights, I'll pop them off, and I can either run it like it is or put the fog light ones in that have the opening for the lights. They're small fog lights, not like the 0203 fog lights. So I kind of wish they were a little bigger, but okay. Let's see. I'll probably get a lip on the bottom. It's not the most perfect bumper. There's a few dings that need to be fixed up, but I'm gonna make it look nice once I'm finished with the whole swap. This fender didn't get on there very nicely. Ooh, gotta be careful. I don't want to scratch ruin the paint. Well, it's getting repainted anyways. Here's the headlights. I really like the Hawkeye headlights. My favorite front end is the 0405, the blob-eye, but the Hawkeye headlights I absolutely love. I just really like the front bumper of the blob-eye better, and I also like the fog lights of the 02 better. So I wish there was a front end where I could combine them all. I have the headlights of the Hawkeye, fog lights of the Bug-Eye, and the bumper of the blob-eye, but it's not possible. So this is gonna be an interesting car when it's done. It's gonna have a 07 front end, 05 STI rear end, but it's going to be the interior of an 04 STI, but it's actually going to be, chassis of a 2002 RS. So it's going to be interesting car when it's finished. I'm excited to get this finished, get the bodywork done, get the paint finished, and the engine swapped. So I'm going to bring this video to an end. I just want to make a quick little video, throw it together of me getting this new front end. And then, so I'm going to bring this video to an end, get it edited, uploaded, and whatnot. So definitely going to try to get this engine pulled this weekend. I know people have been complaining about it. I haven't got it done yet, but I've been really busy. So I'm going to start cleaning some of this stuff up. Right now, actually, I'll probably take the fenders downstairs on my way down and whatnot, get some of this area cleaned up so I can get the engine pulled. And I really need to get it pulled anyways because Andrew's buying it along with my old front end. He's going to be buying it all here soon. His engine, he dropped the rod, so he needs a new engine. So I got to get this pulled. Anyways, please comment, like, subscribe. If you haven't, please check out the last video of the progress in the F350. Alex has got a lot done on the new cab. Thanks for watching. Anyways, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.